Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert an HEIC file to JPEG on your iPhone. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and consider leaving a like, so let's jump right in. First, open your Photos app and select the HEIC images you want to convert. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right and choose Copy. Close the Photos app and open Files app. Navigate to On My iPhone, then Browse. Then click New Folder. Create a new folder, name it Convert, and enter the folder. Hold your finger in the folder, and when the options appear, select Paste. The HEIC images will be pasted and automatically converted to JPEG format. To confirm, you can hold your finger on an image, press Get Info, and check that it now says JPEG image. If you want to move these images back to your Photos library, tap the three dots in the folder, press Select, choose the images, tap the Share icon, and either send them or save them back to your camera roll. If you want to know how to set your iPhone to take and store pictures in JPEG format only, please follow the link in the description. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!